How can you prove the speed and reliability of your data cable and network installation? Existing cable testers often do a poor job of simulating network traffic because they do not transmit real Ethernet frames. SignalTEK NT simulates actual network traffic to prove and document network and data cable performance to Gigabit Ethernet standards. Just select a usage scenario to simulate the appropriate service, from VoIP to CCTV, video and web traffic. SignalTEK NT also uses time domain reflectometry, or TDR, which helps locate common wiring faults such as open and short circuits, both common causes of network downtime and slow transmission speeds. Tests comply with the IEEE 802.3ab Gigabit standard and can be completed on both shielded and unshielded twisted pair cable, including Cat5e through to Cat8. There is no calibration required, and replaceable RJ45 contacts can further reduce the cost of ownership. Whether testing cables or active networks, the SignalTEK NT requires no configuration from the user, as the two handsets automatically pair ready for testing. This way, tests can be initiated from either handset and carried out by one person to save time. Before upgrading or adding IP devices to your network, you can simulate the additional traffic that will be generated, ensuring that the network has enough capacity without degrading performance. For example, when installing IP cameras, you can set the number of cameras, resolution, and compression type. The same process also applies to VoIP, video, and web traffic, using both copper and fiber optic network interfaces. Knowing how much capacity your network has can eliminate unnecessary cable or network upgrades, saving time and money. For diagnosing and troubleshooting, SignalTEK NT has a number of time-saving functions to verify device, network, and internet connectivity. Port speed and duplex status, PoE and PoE Plus availability, port ID with LLDP and Cisco Discovery Protocol, network configuration, DHCP, IP address, MAC address, DNS and gateway address, ping, traceroute and netscan, hub blink for port identification, tone generation for cable tracing using a compatible amplifier probe. The SignalTEK NT will verify the power level of your optical device to identify the source of a problem as either cabling or network hardware. Download test reports to a USB memory key, or use the free Ideal Anywhere app to pair your Android or iOS mobile device to the SignalTEK NT. Once data is transferred, users can view the PDF reports and send them using their preferred data sharing method, including email or file sharing app. Ideal Anywhere is not a cloud service, and the data always remains in your control. Cable installers and IT technicians can share test results with colleagues not located on site to help with troubleshooting, improve productivity, and minimize downtime. Reports can also be sent to the client as soon as the job is complete, demonstrating proof of performance.